Maggie's room. London. Calling here? St. Collector's. Uh-huh. All right, put him on.
Hey, Costello. Hey, who's on first? No, I'm just kidding, man. Hey, did you write me some bad checks?
Hey, what's the number on the checks?
No, I'm just playing with you still. You didn't write me checks, dude. Hey, this is Rob McDougal? Yeah, that's it, yeah. Never been in black and white before. This is pretty darn cool. Listen, the smog here in London is really bad for my throat, so I'm going to gargle a bit, okay?
Mr. McDougal, will you stop gargling your throat?
Sorry, man. Hey, here, talk to my dog. Check out.
Hey, you'll have to get your dog away from the phone. I can't hear a word you're saying.
Dude, he said...
You're almost silly to call me all the way from London just to have your dog talk to me.
Yeah, that was rude. All right, bye.
That's a high conversation. The guy growls like a wolf. The nerve of some people.